Crafting a compelling resume in 2025 requires sharp skills and modern insights that can elevate your career. With job searches experiencing rapid transformation, staying ahead with your resume can be daunting for anyone. Your resume should be more than just a list, it's your personal marketing tool for potential employers. A resume captures your work history, education, skills, and achievements in a concise manner that impresses employers. Think of your resume as the first impression you'll make in the professional world. Make it count. Begin your resume journey by selecting a format that resonates best with your career experiences and aspirations. The reverse-chronological format highlights your career progression, placing your most recent roles at the forefront. If your skills shine brighter than your job titles, consider the functional resume that emphasizes abilities over history. Alternatively, the combination format offers a balanced approach, showcasing both your skills and work history effectively. Next, ensure your contact information is prominent, allowing potential employers to connect with you effortlessly. A brief summary at the top of your resume introduces you, emphasizing your key strengths in just a few sentences. In the work experience section, narrate your job roles, showcasing achievements rather than just responsibilities to grab attention. Use power verbs to narrate accomplishments. Actions speak louder than words when it comes to depicting success. Don't forget to detail your educational background, showcasing degrees and relevant coursework. Brevity is key here. Listing your skills in a bulleted format allows hiring managers to quickly recognize your capabilities at a glance. Include other relevant sections, such as volunteering experiences or certifications that distinguish you from other applicants. Volunteering demonstrates your willingness to contribute, showcasing soft skills that hiring managers highly value. Certifications and special training reveal your dedication to professional development and a commitment to your career. Make sure to align your resume design with your industry. Creativity counts in design roles, but formality shines in others. Colors, fonts, and layout choices should enhance readability and appeal, helping your resume to stand out positively. Every resume should undergo customization for the specific job you're targeting, highlighting the most relevant experiences and skills. Research the role thoroughly. Your resume must reflect what the company seeks in its next employee. Incorporate keywords from the job posting directly into your resume to improve chances of being noticed by hiring systems. Clarity in section headings is crucial. Using standard titles ensures that both ATS systems and hiring managers can navigate easily. After drafting your resume, proofreading is essential. One overlooked typo could cost you a valuable opportunity. Even without extensive work experience, showcasing classes and extracurricular involvement can fill your resume with valuable content. Remember, skills gleaned from school projects or informal jobs can and should be highlighted to demonstrate your capability. Focusing on education can help when experience is minimal. Include relevant coursework to fill out your resume effectively. Look into using templates that optimize for applicant tracking systems to enhance your chances of making it to the interview stage. Employers often sift through dozens of resumes daily. Ensuring yours stands out by being concise and impactful is key. Craft your resume with confidence, embracing both your journey and your aspirations. Authenticity resonates with hiring managers. Your resume is not just a document, it's an empowered statement of who you are and what you can achieve.